Hi everyone, welcome to ERP IP's demo. My name is Rudra Uday Kumar. In this video, we are going to show you the overview demo on equipment maintenance intellectual property developed by ERP Logic. Equipment maintenance solution is developed inside Business by Design and it takes care of your end-to-end equipment maintenance process such as preventive, schedule or ad hoc maintenance. And it also gives the cost calculation on the space consumption and give the inventory management also. This provides the better visibility on maintenance process, allowing you to not only improve the life cycle of your asset, but also reduce the potential future breakdowns. I will jump to the system demo. This is a Business by Design login page. I will log in as a maintaining user and then user ID password. Here you can see the equipment maintenance new work center, which is developed by us, gives the full life cycle of equipment maintenance process. Process start with the asset creation, which is the standard SAP ByD scenario. All the fixed asset created or maintained as an equipment master with the additional information like responsible person, location, manufacturer, etc. The next master is the maintenance task. This will capture the information like expected downtime of the maintenance, spares parts required to perform the task, and procedure for it. The scheduler view will be used to record the frequency in hours or days or etc. After which the maintenance will be performed for each equipment. Task due will be given to the manager who will look into every day and sees any task is due for the service. If it is due, they will select and create the order. The final view will be used to enter the actual service has been performed. For an example, how much hours they involved to do the service and what are the spares required and which location I consumed it. So it also gives the availability to check whether the materials is available or not. And if it is not available, we can able to create the purchase request. And also if we need it, we can able to take a printout from it. Thank you for watching. See you later.